Hello there, and welcome back to my beginner's guide to music theory. In the last video, you will remember that we learnt about the notes on the stave in the treble clef. We learnt two rhymes to help memorise these notes. Every good boy deserves football for the notes on the lines, and spaces spell face for the notes in the spaces. The treble clef is usually used for higher pitched notes, but when lower pitched notes are written down, we use the bass clef instead. The bass clef looks like this. The notes in the bass clef have different names from those in the treble clef. Once again, we can use rhymes to help remember the names of the notes in the bass clef. For the notes on the lines, remember this rhyme: good boys deserve football always. Taking the first letter of each word, we can see that in the bass clef the notes on the lines from the bottom of the stave to the top are G, B, D, F and A. For the notes in the spaces in the bass clef, use this rhyme to help you remember their names. All cows eat grass, or A, C, E and G. It is important that you memorise these rhymes so that when you're reading musical notation, you know what the notes are that you are looking at. To recap, in the treble clef the rhymes are every good boy deserves football for the lines and spaces spell face for the spaces. In the bass clef the rhymes are good boys deserve football always for the notes on the lines and all cows eat grass for the notes in the spaces. The last thing to talk about in this video is the position of the note middle C. When writing the note middle C, it is positioned on the first ledger line below the stave in the treble clef and on the first ledger line above the stave in the bass clef, almost as though it is mirrored. The two notes that you see here are in actual fact both middle C, and if you played them both on the piano, they would sound exactly the same. Well, that's the end of our fourth video in this series. Look out for video 5, where you'll learn more about time values, beams and rests. Thanks for watching.